Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now it is Rebel season here on Buckethead Props, and a few weeks ago I got a package in the mail, and back then I filmed a little video for you. So I'm just going to leave you with Past Me, who's doing the unboxing. Take it away. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now in this one I'm very excited because I've got something to open. We love getting boxes in the mail, but I've been waiting over a year for this one. This is the Solos Hold Blind Knight from the run that they did. Let's do it. So this is the Solos Hold and NerfworXlab Blind Knight. It is their version of the Kanan Jarrus lightsaber from Star Wars Rebels. I'll just give you a quick background into how these kind of things work. Now, like I said, I've been waiting quite a long time for this one. How these runs work are quite different to how you'd expect normal transactions to take place. You know, usually you buy something, it's in stock, they ship it, you get it. With this kind of thing, they're machined kits, so you have to get a machine shop to do it. And it's not a large scale production like you get with regular toys or commercial products. They have to design it and get it in the machine shop. So what you do is usually pay a deposit, register your interest for the run on whatever forum that they're running the run from. I can leave a link in the description below to the one that this one was from. They may still have some left, you can take a look. But what you do is usually pay a deposit. This gets you in the run. They go ahead, they're usually posting updates on how the run's doing, and then when it's ready you pay the balance and the shipping, and then they ship it out to you. I got stuck with a hefty custom charge on this one. Boo. But like I said, I've been waiting almost a year for this one, so I'm going to get to opening this up. Yes. I need a knife. Right, let's get to opening this, shall we? That. The first bit. Some kind of shroud piece. Signs look very familiar. That's the emitter. Very cool. Liking this. Now for the pièce de résistance. Very well bubbled. I like it. Like it a lot. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Look at that. I know it said you have to wait sort of a year to get these pieces in hand, but boy is it worth it. I mean, that is gorgeous. That is just... ooh, ooh. So, we got that piece. We got that piece, we got that piece. What else have we got in here? Nice. Okay, now we've got all the little bits to go with it. We've got box greeblies. 1, 2, 3, D-ring. Guessing that's a blade plug or something. Here I think are the grips. There we go. Like, it's a bar which we might leave in there, so I'll save that. Yeah, but these I believe are gonna go. Yeah, there we go. They'll make the grip up when we get there. This is definitely going on there. There it is. That's what we want. So there's a retaining screw up here. So obviously this kit also comes unpainted. This is a raw machine finish. Well, not raw, it's been kind of polished and smoothed out. There's no rough edges on here really to speak of. It's very high quality. But obviously this needs some green paint and assembling all together, which I need to figure out and do. I'm going to leave that to an upcoming video. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing of the Blind Knight by Solos Hold and NerfworXlab. In other words, their Kanan Jarrus saber. This is very nice. I'm probably going to be playing with this for a little while. But look forward to that in an upcoming video. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.